Hi, we're standing out in front of 3599 Quail Run Court in Folsom, California. This beautiful home came on the market, and it was on the market for about 7 days. It's in the Regency 2 community in Folsom, and this community has got everything. In the background, you'll see people playing bocce ball. They just got done playing pickleball. In the clubhouse, there's an Olympic-sized swimming pool. There's anything and everything that you can imagine in this community. It's just beautiful. And this house that I have listed has everything, all of the additional amenities that you can possibly imagine. It has a swimming pool in the backyard with a waterfall and a spa. It has roll-up screens. It has automatic fireplace. It has a long corridor, but you can see right to the back of the house, which gives it a very airy feeling. High ceilings. And off to the immediate left, there is a one bedroom. And this one bedroom has a full bath. We cleaned everything really well in this house. Again, everything has got high ceilings. When we came in, the smoke detector was beeping. We had a really hard time changing the battery because the ceilings are so high. And then off to the side here, this is either a study or a playroom, a hobby room. You could probably even split it in two. It's big enough to do several different things to it, whatever you like. And this right here is a fireplace. You can adjust the flame size, and it's all done by remote control. It's very easy to control. Nice feature of this house. And then this is a kitchen right here. The island is plenty of room in it. This was a major upgrade that the homeowner put in. And then off to the side is a half bath. And we had difficulty with this, the heating unit. What was happening is the heating unit was going off during the home inspection, and we had a licensed HVAC person come out to take a look at it. He had no problems with it whatsoever. And then I came out to doubly verify it, and while I was doing it, the whole heating unit just stopped. And it just stopped. And the reason why it was stopped is because the filter unit up there was clogged. And this right here has got, I think that these are infrared lights. They radiate heat to keep any of your food warm. And right off here, there is a nice size grill, and very convenient for, getting that. You can just scrape anything off of it off to the side. And this is the outdoor too. I'll give you a sneak peek of the fireplace outdoor. This is such a beautiful property. It's the most beautiful property I've ever seen. And this is a master bedroom. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's a great size. And this right here is another half bath. This right here is a shower. Very good size shower. And this right here is a walk-in closet, which is really nice. Needless to say, this house sold very quickly. We had many offers coming in. We had many people that were mad that they didn't get it. But, only one family can get it. So this right here, you can open and shut the screens automatically. The screen is, I just opened. This is what the remote looks like. And I just turned the switch to open up the screen. And then this closes the screen, or stops it. And then this one down here will close it. We'll stop it again, and then we'll open it up. And you can go out into the backyard through the master, or the primary bedroom. And this right here is a swimming pool in the backyard. It's a small swimming pool. When we first came here, this pool was totally green. In fact, the county had to come out and put fish in it because they didn't want any mosquito larvae growing in it. And it took quite a bit of work to clean up this pool. But as you can tell now, it's beautifully clean. Has a beautiful waterfall on it. The spot, these lights automatically change different colors. Just a really nice feature. And then again, that's the fireplace. It's a smallish backyard. But it's nice enough for entertaining. Very, well, besides for the pool, and besides for all of the other things, it's pretty low maintenance. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Nancy from Remax, and I'm here to help in any way. I can actually seek properties out for you in the same community of Regency 2, the Folsom Ranch, and you know, send letters out, see if anybody is willing to, you know, wanting to put their house on the market. And, you know, hopefully, if you want to get into this community, I'd be able to help you with that. My phone number is on the screen, and please call me if you have any questions. Thanks very much for watching.